Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today I have a surprise for you guys. Remember when I said that I was going to wait till the Sephora sale, if there was a Sephora sale, to buy the Natasha Denona bronze palette? Well, I didn't. I got it. And we're going to be playing with it today. So I hope that you'll enjoy the video. If that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to clip up my hair. I'm going to take off my glasses and put on some of the Milani eye primer real quick. Alright, so this is the Natasha Denona palette. This is what she looks like. And right now I have no clue what I'm going to do for a look. Alright, I'm going to take this color Beach right here and I'm going to put it in my crease. And I'm using the Alter Ego brush number 3. Wow, that was more pigmented than I thought. Showed up more than I thought. I was thinking it was just going to be like a little wash of color around my skin tone, but 'tis not. Alright, I'm going to take Magma right here. It's kind of brownish red. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take Bliss right here and I'm going to put that on my lid, the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to use this Alter Ego number 6 brush. I'm just going to take my finger because it's not doing as good with the brush and put it on. I'm going to take a cotton round and some micellar water and I'm just going to clean up any lines or fallout that I might have. I'm taking the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. I'm taking the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream in shade number 21. I'm dotting that all over my face. And I'm going to use my BK Beauty brush, 101 brush, to blend it out. And it actually looks a little gray when you first start blending it out, but it really just blends in with your skin. I don't know how it works, but it winds up working. I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in shade L150 Porcelain. And I'm going to dot that under my eyes. And I'm going to blend it out with my concealer brush. I'm taking the number 7 translucent Perfect Light loose powder, and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Alright, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lumi True Match Lumi Bronze It Sun Kiss Bronzer in shade 01 Light. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to use that to warm up my face. I actually thought when I first got this it was going to be too light on me, but it's actually perfect. It's not too dark and it's not too light, it's just right. I'm taking it under the chin and down my neck, a little behind the ear, other ear. I'm putting on the Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. Going over the nose so I can be sun-kissed and sunburnt. And I'm taking Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in 201 Daybreak. And I'm going to use that to go on the high points in my cheeks. I highlight my face. Over the brow. Other brow. Nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. I'm going to take my Alter Ego number 8 smudgy brush and I'm going to go into that magma shade again And I'm going to put that up underneath my lash line, my bottom lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to take Bliss, the same shade I got on my inner half of my lid, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Just kind of, there's not really a inner corner highlight, so we're just going to keep this going. I'm going to put on Essence Lash Princess. Alright, I'm going to put on the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Topaz. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. That has such a fine mist. Alright, well this is the final look using the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I really enjoyed the shadows that I used. The mattes kick up pretty good, but it's not anything that any other eyeshadow palette that I've used does. So I really like it. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I'm really liking the look that I came up with, and I'm super excited to keep playing with it and see what other looks I can come up with. I was thinking about doing a like 1 palette 3 looks video at some point in time, but I don't know if I want to use this palette or if I want to use another palette. I'll have to think about that, and let me know in the comments if there's a palette that you know that I have or that you like that I might have that you'd like to see a 1 palette 3 looks video. I guess that's going to be all for me. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I love for you to become a part of our family here. And also ring the bell so you'll be notified of my wonderful content here on YouTube. And I greatly appreciate y'all hanging out with me, and I guess I'm going to talk to you later. Bye, y'all.